You can be a millionaire in no time by just investing in crypto like Bitcoin or other altcoin, and you need thousands of dollars to start your investment in crypto. That is totally wrong, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can start your investment in crypto as a beginner and show you the full plan on how you can start your investing by just a few dollars. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to talk about why Bitcoin and crypto mostly is one of the biggest leaders in today's financial market. Satoshi Nakamoto made the Bitcoin because of the bad and broken banking system. He wanted to holder of Bitcoin have full authority on their assets and be their own boss and don't answer to any other government. He wanted to make an asset to be protected by inflation and be decentralized. The decentralization of Bitcoin and other crypto made them so unique that nobody can have access to your assets and your funds. The currencies like dollar, pound, or euro and other currencies is fiat currencies, and the government has the full access to them and they can block them as soon as they want. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum is now having a huge role in the financial economy around the world and is now still one of the best options that you can invest today. In this video, I'm going to show you the full blueprint that how you can start your investment today and be profitable in long term. Without further ado, let's get started. There are thousands of projects that are in the crypto and blockchain system that today's technologies use them for the daily use basis. Things like a stable coin like USDC or USDT is now using for payments all around the internet, and you can pay your stuff with crypto and other altcoins. You cannot tokenize anything like painting or autograph or anything else and keep them or sell them on the internet thanks to the blockchain, and you can set them as a non-fungible token or NFTs. You can buy art, music, or painting or anything else as an NFT and sell them or even keep them on the blockchain. Collections like Cyberpunk in the NFT shops has a huge growth over the past 10 years and made thousands of dollars in profit for their holders. Okay, let's talk about the strategy that you can invest properly in the crypto. Few days ago, I made a video about dollar cost averaging or DCA strategy, that how you can start your investment in the crypto by just buying $5, $20, or $10 per day of Bitcoin or any other altcoin. Here's the video and you can tap on that and see what is done. The DCA strategy, hands down, is one of the best strategy that beginner can use to start their investment in crypto in 2025. In this strategy, you just need one thing, and that thing is patience. Over the time, the DCA strategy makes you thousands of dollars by just investing $5 a day. By using this strategy, you can control your emotion. That is one of the most important things in crypto investment, and you take your FOMO and fear out of the whole investment equation. The video that I made about DCA strategy is up here and you can watch that. And in that video, I told people what if they have invested $1,000 every month from January 2015 until January 2025. That's 10 years and the total investment would be $121,000. The whole profit that you made of that $121,000 in the 10 years would be $4,400,000. That would be a life-changing money, and this strategy would help you to start your business and investment in crypto today. Okay, the next step is that where you can start your investment and start buying your first crypto. First, you need to make a wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. There are hundreds of wallets in the internet that you can download and start using. When you created your first wallet, you need to write down your security phrases on the paper and storage them in a safe place. If you lose your security phrases, you would lose all of your crypto and you won't have access to any of your assets or funds. After you made your first wallet, you need to create your first user-friendly exchanges account. After you made your exchange account, you need to fund that. You can use your PayPal or bank account to deliver and transfer your money into the exchanges. When you successfully transfer your fund and money to the exchange, you can go to the spot market and start trading and buying and sell your crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other altcoin. We have two kinds of exchanges, centralized one and decentralized one. In centralized one, you need to pass the KYC for the user protection and the financial politics. But on the other hand, on decentralized exchanges, you need just to connect your wallet to the exchange and buy your thing on the exchange and transfer them directly to your wallet. You don't need KYC or any other thing, and you can just transfer your fund and assets or your crypto to your wallet, and you don't need to do anything else. But the option that centralized exchanges offer to you is way more than the decentralized one. The decentralized exchanges is just a place that you can buy or sell your crypto or just transfer them to your wallet. But the centralized one has lots of options like trading bots, perpetual markets, funding, lending, and many other things that you can start your investment in them. And I must alert you, this is not an investment suggestion, and you do need to do your own research before any investment. The crypto exchanges, centralized one or decentralized one, is not a place where you should keep your assets on them because of the probability of getting hacked and for your security of your crypto. And I'm gonna say that to you again, after you bought your crypto, please, and you have to transfer them to your own wallet. We have two kinds of wallet, hot wallet and cold wallet. The hot wallet is like the programming wallet that you can download on App Store or Google Play or any other place, and you download it to your iPhone, your MacBook or anything, and you keep your seed phrases and your security phrases on the internet and your devices. But the cold wallet is a wallet where you keep your seed phrases and security phrases off the internet, and the hackers won't have access to them. If you want to keep and hold your crypto for a long-term investment, you should and have to keep and transfer your crypto into the cold wallet. Cold wallets are much safer and you don't need to be worried about getting lost. Okay, let's talk about the common mistakes that every beginners make. Firstly, they invest into the crypto. When a beginner sees that a coin is doing very well and is going rocket high up, they are getting FOMO and they're trying to buy them and go all in onto them. 99% of the crypto projects are a scam, and you should be aware of the scam ones, and you must not go all in on any crypto thing. One of the most important tips that I'm going to give you is that you should stick to one strategy and don't get your emotion to help you in your strategy. Overall, the trading bots and AI is doing way better in crypto trading because they don't have emotion, and their emotion don't impact their decision on trading or investment. You should have a checklist that help you start your investment and trading, and if you email me, which is down below, I will send you the full checklist that will help you to start your investment and trade. Before you start investing in any crypto project, you should know that you must invest the money that you don't need in crypto. For example, if you earn $1,000 a month, you should put aside $100 and invest that money to your crypto investment. And if that money is getting lost, you won't be worried that I don't have anything else to do my daily basis routine. There are concepts in trading that I call Walmart trading. You put your order, you set take profit, and you set an stop loss and go to the Walmart and shop your daily grocery. If you use this Walmart trading concept idea, your win rate would be way higher than ever and your loss would be way less than ever. And the last step is that you should be part of the project airdrop and make your way to $10,000 a month. When you engage your crypto project, in return of the advertisement you do on platforms of social media like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or any other thing, they would reward you of their token and you can earn money in that way. But the key to be successful in crypto investment and any other investment is that you should and have to be patient. If you be patient, you will take your emotion out of your trading and investment, and your win rate and your probability of the success is going way higher than ever. Drop a comment with your budget and I would reply to you with your personalized game plan and how you can start your investment in crypto today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell to notify when I post next. We are dropping strategies and tips on how you can be a successful investor and how you can start your business and investment in 2025. Peace.